Layout pages are pre-built, flexible design pages that you can use to create custom layouts on your site. After adding a layout page, you can add and edit text, images, forms, and other common features with drag and drop blocks. Layout pages are a great choice for contact pages, about pages, and team pages, for example. To add a new layout page, navigate to the Pages panel and click the plus icon. Then select Page Layouts. From there, scroll through the pre-built layouts and select a design that matches your needs. After selecting a layout, click Edit. You can also create a blank page layout by selecting Blank Page after clicking the plus icon. Once you finish editing your page, be sure to save your changes. Please let us know if you have any other questions. We're always here to help.